Welcome to the channel, and do not forget to like and subscribe in order to not miss future videos. See the description box below for links to free Forex robots, automated trading systems, trading books, and other resources. Also see our recommended broker. With just $5 you can start trading many cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Solana, Shiba Inu, Ripple, and many more. Bitcoin dropped below $20,000 on Saturday, extending a brutal slide in cryptocurrencies. The price of Bitcoin fell more than 6% in 24 hours to $19,149.60, according to Coinmetrics data. The last time Bitcoin fell below the $20,000 level was December 2020. Ether, the second largest token, plunged 7% to $996.20, its lowest level since January 2021. Crypto investors are grappling with aggressive interest rate hikes from the U.S. Federal Reserve and a worsening liquidity crunch that has pushed major players into financial difficulty. The Fed on Wednesday hiked rates by 75 basis points, its biggest increase since 1994. That has led to a retreat from risky assets of all stripes, including stocks and crypto. Elsewhere, the crypto space is still reeling from the fallout of the $60 billion collapse of two major tokens last month. There you have it. If you found this video of great value, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Remember to subscribe so that you do not miss future videos.